afraid. You need them C's and A's and B's to get them degrees, okay?
Go to class because that helps and you're paying for it.
Don't be lazy. It's not like high school, you know? You gotta work a lot harder than you ever have.
Time management. You may have been able to get everything done in high school, but inevitably all the assignments in college are going to probably fall on the same due dates.
Use a lot of the services that you have, the tutoring service, writing centers, because they will save your life.
Just don't slack off.
Don't be afraid to do things. Just be yourself.
Always remember that everyone is just as scared as you are.
Explore, and don't be afraid to go to places on your own.
ASU offers 1,001 opportunities to do whatever you want to do.
Don't be afraid to adventure out, do something that you wouldn't normally do.
Make sure that you take a risk at least once a day.
It's important to always speak up and ask questions and just be involved with ASU.
Get out of your room. Once you enter your room, you can't do anything productive besides trying to do homeworks and sleeping.
Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, get involved in whatever you can, and just have the best time.
Get up and try to really get involved.
Come out of your bounds, go meet different people from different countries.
So make sure to take advantage of it to like a lot of the football games, softball games.
Don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone.
To get involved, to go Greek, and to just have a great time.
There's no limit to what you can do at ASU. You shouldn't feel confined to just joining one club and that's your club. Just kind of keep trying as many new things as possible here.
Welcome to ASU.
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 Welcome to ASU.